As used in the passage, what does reviews most nearly mean? Looking at the context in which reviews is used in the passage, we see that before Oklahoma, musicals often resembled reviews, a loose plot strung together with popular songs, comic sketches, and dance numbers that could be removed or replaced without affecting the story. With this in mind, let's take a look at our choices to see which one best matches our findings. A. Short plays based on historical events. The passage doesn't make any mention of reviews being tied to history, so this choice can be marked off. B. Musicals that include dialogue but no music. The passage clearly describes reviews as having songs, just not songs integrated with the story. This choice can be marked off as well. C. Stage shows focused entirely on dance performance. While reviews often did include dance numbers, the passage says they mixed together songs, sketches, and dances. Focusing only on dance doesn't match the description given, so we can mark this choice off. And D. Theatrical productions combining loosely connected songs, dances, and sketches. As we already pointed out, the passage explains that before Oklahoma, musicals often resembled reviews, a loose plot strung together with popular songs, comic sketches, and dance numbers. As this perfectly matches this choice, we can go ahead and mark it as our final answer.